So today I'm unboxing my wig from UNice hair that I ordered off the TikTok shop. First off, the packaging, super cute. Like, it already feels like luxury before we even open it. And inside the box, there's this message that says cannot be defined. I don't know, I just love that. It feels empowering and it really sets the vibe. Now let's see what came inside. So first, we got the two HD wig caps, which I always appreciate because you can never have too many. Then there's a hair pick, which is followed by a rat tail edge brush, and I love that the brush part is replaceable. That's actually really convenient. And lastly, an edge band. Now let's get into the star of the show, the wig. This is a 7x5 16-inch HD lace wig. It comes pre-bleached, pre-cut, and pre-plucked, which we love because that just saves so much time. The color is this pretty reddish brown, which I feel like is just so perfect for spring. The wig also has a drawstring in the back to tighten it, plus a thin adjustable band. So right now, I'm just running my fingers through the hair to loosen up these curls a bit because I'm going for more of a loose yet curly afro look. And y'all, the lace, when I say HD, I mean HD. I already know this is about to give scalp. Now, as I put on my wig cap to protect my hair, I forgot to show you guys that this wig came with tape. But honestly, I don't really use tape like this, especially because my sideburns are just so long that it just never really sticks correctly. And with this being a 7x5 lace, I don't really even feel like it's necessary for the tape. Now, I'm just placing the wig on just to see what we're working with. Definitely cute, but yeah, we need to loosen some of these curls up. But wait, pause. Let's really look at this lace. Exactly, it's giving no lace. Now I'm tightening the adjustable band in the back, and I actually like that it's thin because I feel like those thick bands could get uncomfortable from time to time. And now the fun part begins. I'm going in with my pick, but I'm not picking all the way through the curls. I still want to keep the curl pattern, just fluff it out a bit. This next step I feel like is optional, but I'm putting on the band just to make sure that the wig stays secure while I work. Now I'm taking my spraying bottle with warm water and I'm just going to saturate the hair because it's time to define these curls. I've seen people mix conditioner or silicone mix, but for this, I'm just using water. Next, I'm going in with mousse to really get these curls popping. After every couple of sections, I'm using my fingers to distribute the product and twirling the curls around my finger to help define them. And you're just going to repeat this all around the head. Now it's time to dry, but of course not all the way. I don't even have the proper blow dryer for this, but we're just gonna make it work. After drying it a little, I go back in with the pick to start prepping it for volume. This step is completely optional, but I did go in with the hot comb just to flatten the top just a little bit. And now, it's really just a waiting game. While it dries, I'm continuing to pick and fluff with my fingers. But can we just talk about how good these curls look already? And it's not even dry yet. And again, the lace, still can't find it. Although I'm doing a glueless install, if you do want to glue your wig down for a day or two, I'd recommend using a spray like this, but me personally, I just like to take my hair off at night. For the final step, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation just to define my part and make everything look more natural. And just like that, the install is basically done. Super easy and super beginner friendly. As time goes on, the hair is definitely going to fluff out even more and give you that full look. I feel like this is the perfect spring wig because it's not too long, not too short, and the color is just doing what it needs to do. If I had to rate this install, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. It was quick, easy, and came out exactly how I wanted. If you guys want to see more installs and reviews like this, make sure you guys comment that down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms so we can stay connected and chat a little more. Also, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you guys never miss when I upload. And as I always say, keep your standards high and your vibes even higher. Don't just dream it, elevate it, okay? You are made to shine and level up, so don't forget it. And I will catch you guys in the next video.